Are you familiar with Neville Goddard? He's a renowned spiritual teacher and author. In today's video, we'll delve into the 3 transformative words that can reshape your life, bringing forth a new version of yourself. Whether you seek to manifest your desires or entirely transform your life, these words hold the power to make it happen. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll reveal those 3 words that can catalyze change in your life. Welcome back to my latest video. Unlock your deepest desires. The power of 3 magic words revealed by Neville Goddard. For those of you new to my channel, I extend a warm hello. As I mentioned earlier, let's dive into today's topic. The technique we're exploring is derived from Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise. This 3-word method has been responsible for numerous success stories, with individuals attesting to achieving the desired outcomes through its application. I can say with confidence that it can work wonders for you too, provided you follow the instructions. It's a simple yet highly effective technique that I believe will resonate with anyone who listens carefully. This technique demands only about 30 seconds of your time. However, before we jump right into it, I'd like to share a story from Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise. It's a remarkable example of how this technique transformed the life of a woman who was struggling financially. She was desperately seeking employment, unable to buy a car or even pay her rent. When she learned of this technique, her life took an extraordinary turn. In her own words, she said, "I began to apply these 3 words instead of fixating on what I needed. I focused on the feeling that something wonderful was happening to me, not in the future, but right now." Night after night, for 2 months, I repeated these 3 magic words to myself as I fell asleep. One day in early October, a friend she hadn't seen for months came to her with a certified check in her name for $25,000. The remarkable part is how this check came about. It turns out that her friend had a chance encounter with someone from her past who had become extremely wealthy. Learning about her friend's connection to the lady, this wealthy individual decided to support her as an artist. He put her in his will, ensuring a monthly income of $25,000 for her entire life. He passed away without meeting her again, but her life changed dramatically, all thanks to those 3 words. Those magical words were, "Isn't it wonderful?" These are the exact words Neville Goddard mentioned in his book, The Law and the Promise. Just think about it, envision what you desire, and say out loud, "Isn't it wonderful?" As you envision your desires, immerse yourself in the feeling of having already achieved them. This feeling is crucial for successful manifestation. It's about experiencing the emotion you will have when your desire is realized. When you're in that moment of envisioning and feeling your desire, don't dwell on the how or when. Instead, trust in the magic of the universe, a powerful energy surrounding you that will guide you to your desires. This is the essence of Neville Goddard's technique, the power of "Isn't it wonderful?" So, once more, when you visualize and think about your desire, live in that moment, relishing the feeling, and say, "Isn't it wonderful?" You can perform this technique in the morning if you prefer, but it's most effective at night, just before bedtime. Neville Goddard often recommended evening practice due to the profound impact it has on the subconscious mind, which holds onto the thoughts and emotions experienced during sleep. To practice this technique, as you drift into sleep, close your eyes and let your thoughts flow freely, unobstructed like a river. Don't allow negative thoughts and beliefs to dam up your positive flow. Release your grip on limiting beliefs and take deep breaths. Repeat the words, "Isn't it wonderful?" as many times as necessary until you feel the overwhelming sense of your desired outcome. As you become overwhelmed, vivid images of your desired reality will materialize in your mind. You'll see a clear path toward your desires. At that point, immerse yourself entirely in that moment and drift off to sleep, still saying, "Isn't it wonderful?" Practice this for 30 days, and you'll witness the results with your own eyes. Many people have experienced significant life changes through this powerful technique. So, remember, it's not about getting caught up in the how, when, or why. Trust in the magic of the universe and let your thoughts flow freely like a river. Say, "Isn't it wonderful?" to experience the shift in your reality. As you go to bed, immerse yourself in the emotion of your desires. This is what Neville Goddard's technique is all about. By not getting entangled in the details, you allow the universe's energy to shape your reality. This is the essence of Isn't It Wonderful? The lady in the story experienced a profound transformation in her life through this technique, and you can too. This technique works effectively when practiced at night, capitalizing on the power of the subconscious mind to retain the emotions and thoughts experienced during sleep. Let your thoughts flow freely, and keep saying, "Isn't it wonderful?" until you're overwhelmed with the feeling of your desired outcome. Images of your desires will materialize, and you'll see the path to your dreams. Release limiting beliefs and negative thoughts. Breathe deeply and embrace the magic of Isn't It Wonderful? Before drifting off to sleep. After 30 days of consistent practice, you'll witness the results in your life. Many have experienced life-altering transformations through this technique. In conclusion, trust the process and focus on the emotion of your desires rather than the how. The universe's energy is your ally, and it will guide you to your dreams. This is the essence of Neville Goddard's Isn't It Wonderful? Technique. Try it, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. We've reached the end of this video. If you've made it this far, I appreciate your attention. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.